Do you need to create an established marketing plan that will consistently grow your mortgage business and that also has the ability to scale, but you don't know where to start? Over the next few minutes, I'm going to walk you through step by step exactly how to create a super simple marketing plan that takes less than 30 minutes to put together, that you can also scale once it's up and running. Because realtor relationships are the lifeblood of every mortgage business, but can be tricky to manage. I put together a free quiz that will let you know what your number one realtor relationship killer is that's causing you not to get more referrals. The link to that is in the description. For those of you who don't know me, my name is Elysia Stobie. I help mortgage loan officers and branch managers double their closings without running paid ads or cold calling their face off. Because who wants to do that? Nobody. Not good for the ego, not enjoyable, not fun. So over the next few minutes, I'm going to walk you through step by step exactly how to create a super simple marketing plan that takes less than 30 minutes to put together, that you could also scale once it's up and running. Number one, first, you need to set up SMART goals to know where you are, where you want to go, and what you're going to measure. SMART goals are super simple to set up. In a nutshell, SMART is an acronym. It outlines the strategy for reaching an objective. S stands for specific, M stands for measurable, A stands for achievable, R stands for realistic, and anchored with a T for time frame. What are your goals? If you don't have an answer, you need to come up with some, because it is impossible to increase your income, increase your number of closings, if you don't have any idea where you are, what you're closing now, or what you want to get to. How can you get in the middle? Jump in and reach that goal. You think it's just going to happen? Some things happen by osmosis, but most require hard work, dedication, and systems. And this is what I'm sharing with you. For example, if I'm closing 100 deals a month or 100 deals a year, I need to know what it is if I'm going to double that. Otherwise, how would I even have any idea? So put your SMART goals together. Hey, if that was helpful, please drop me a like on this video, smash up that like button for me so it helps other loan officers find it in the YouTube algorithm. Point number two, once you have your SMART goals, you will identify your dream client. I have plenty of videos on ideal avatar as well. Dream client, Dream 100. You're going to add one new dream client at a time and see what's working and what's not. What does that look like? Well, if I know that my dream client, for example, is a military, active military, you can have veteran as well. You can have first-time home buyer. You can have financially, self-employed, whatever you want your dream client to be, right? And I really get into specifics in other videos about that, so be sure and check them out. But it has everything from zip code they're buying in, to income, to sales price point, everything, okay? If they're a veteran, if they're not a veteran, if it's a conventional loan, if that's who you love to work with, whatever your dream client is, who you love to work with, and you enjoy helping them reach their goals, they're going to help you reach yours. Add one new dream client at a time, and then see what's working and what's not. Okay. When I say what's working and what's not, is that client happy? Are you actually getting your dream client? Or if your dream client is a paper, 740, 25% down payment conventional, upsize, downsize, and you're getting 620 credit score, first time home buyer instead, that's not working. Okay. So you're going to add one new client, dream client at a time, and see what's working and what's not. Number three, this is going to seem super obvious after I say it, but it would blow you away how many people actually don't pay attention to this. Okay. Number three, once you've figured out what's working and what's not, then you do more of what's working and stop doing what's not working. Right? For example, How many of you cold call 40 realtors every Monday and don't get any results? That would tell me it's not working. I need to change my approach. I need to get a warm intro instead of do a cold call, right? So you're going to do more of what's working and stop doing what's not working. Because realtor relationships are the lifeblood of every mortgage business, but these can be tricky to manage. I put together a free quiz that will let you know what your number one realtor relationship killer is that's causing you to not get more referrals. The link to that is in the description. And if you want to discover the best tips and tricks for growing your mortgage business, make sure to subscribe to the channel. Cheers to your success.